Hello, I'm Stella and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a cute crochet earring. And these earrings are not only cute, they are also good for the environment. So come here, let me show you how and why. Alright, so we drink this plant-based milk here, and the seal has this plastic ring over here. Look at that. And one day I said, I'm not sure if this is recyclable. So how can I reuse this? So here is what I do. I cut the ring here out of the seal. Here, look, we have a ring that is perfect to make earrings. They are lightweight and you're gonna help the environment a little bit. So I make earrings with them and it's very simple. So let's start the pattern. We are going to need 100% cotton crochet thread. This one I'm using, it's number 1. It's super fine, or any fine scrap yarn that you have. Embroidery thread also works. Scissors, tapestry needle, a 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, jewelry making plier, earring hooks, the plastic rings from the milk carton that I just showed you. So today we are making a red earring like this one. Let's start. First, I'll make a slip knot. And then I place the slip knot inside my ring. So with my crochet hook, I start to work single crochets around the ring. Let's make a chain first. And now I'm going to make approximately 32 single crochets around this ring. So here's the first single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to make single crochets around until the ring is covered. For this size of ring, I need 32 single crochets. This one I'm using has 2 centimeters in diameter. Here I have 10 single crochet. I think it's very satisfying to see the ring being covered with the single crochets. It becomes so colorful and beautiful. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I stop making single crochets from time to time to fix them, to put them closer together and see how many more I need in my ring. So here's 17, 18, 19, 20. You can use any ring that you want, and then you make single crochets around it accordingly until you cover your ring. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, we are almost done. 28, 29, 30, 31, and the last one, 32. And then I join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet I made. And there you are. The ring is covered with single crochet and it's so cute. It's already cute like this, but we are going to go a step forward and make a detail here that is gonna look like flower petals, and it's gonna be super cute. So moving on, we chain 1 and then we make 3 double crochet in the second single crochet from round 1. 1 double crochet. So it's 3 double crochets in the same single crochet from the previous round. So here's my 3rd double crochet. And now what I do, I'm going to slip stitch in the next single crochet. And here, the first petal is done. Now we need to make 3 more. So we have 4 petals in total. So now I just make 3 double crochets here in the next single crochet. So 1, 2, 3 double crochet. Now I slip stitch in the next single crochet, and then we make the 3rd petal. So we are going to make 3 double crochets again in the same single crochet. And the slip stitch in the next single crochet. There. Oops. Again. There you go. Slower now. Yeah, there you go. So 3 petals now. We have 3 petals. Let's move on to the 4th and last one. So again, we make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And now we finish up with a slip stitch in the next single crochet. There you go, the petals are ready. Now we just fasten off and weave the ends. So to finish off, I'm going to cut the yarn here, leaving a medium tail. Doesn't need to be too long. And then with a tapestry needle, I'll just weave the ends here. I'll just pass my crochet thread around the single crochets here on the back of the earring, and I'll join with in the beginning here, so I just have 1 knot. So I really like these earrings because they are super lightweight and they are also upcycled, so they help the environment. They are super fast to make and they make a very good and cute gift. I have them in so many colors and I wear them all the time. So today I'm making this red one because I still don't have one. So I'm adding this one to my collection now. So here we are, our earring is almost ready. Now we just have to add the hook here in the middle. So you can just do it by intuition, like you can see here, around here is the middle, or you can count your single crochets. So let's see, I have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have 23 single crochets here. So we can place the hook at around the 12th single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, right here. So let me open here the little loop first. There you go. And I just place this little hook here around the single crochet, just getting the top here, the 2 little chains of the single crochet. And then I'll close the hook. These earrings here, I made them using embroidery thread. So I also have this very fine acrylic yarn that I got at the dollar store, and it was very cheap, so I think they will work too. I'll try it another time and I'll post it on Instagram telling you if it works. So follow me on Instagram where I post nice pictures of the crochet projects I make. The link is in the description. And these earrings here, I made them using a baby cotton yarn, which is a blend of cotton and acrylic yarn. And it works just well. So there are many ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up in this video and subscribe to my channel for more ideas. And if you make one of these earrings, I would love to see your creation. So tag me on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.